Hello friends, in this section of my video, I will be dealing with the concept of electrostatics, which is a part of class 12 unit 1st. Now, initially talking about electrostatics, the very first concept which comes into it is conservation of electric charge. The conservation of electric charge means that the total electric charge of an isolated system is conserved. Conserved means it always remains constant. Now, this concept we will be dealing with the help of a very small example or an experiment. Here we have two rods, rod A and rod B. As we observe that rod A has 5 positive charges and 5 negative charges. At the same time, rod B also have 5 positive charges and 5 negative charges. The total positive charge of the system is 10 and the total negative charge of the system is also 10. Now, this is the condition of the two rods before rubbing. Now, we'll rub rod A with rod B. On rubbing, the electron gets transferred from the body of lower work function to the body of higher work function. So, as observing the figure, we see that 2 electrons from rod B has transferred into rod A. Now, total positive charge of the system 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in rod A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in rod B, that is 10. Total negative charge of the system 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total negative charge of the system is again 10. Now, since the electrons is transferred from rod B to rod A, rod B acquires positive charge and rod B acquires negative charge. Since the bodies are charged, but the total charge of the system is again a constant. This follows a conservation of electric charge. Following the concept of conservation of electric charge, we have another concept, the quantization of electric charge, which says that whenever an electron is transferred from one body to another, it always going to be an integral number. Or in other ways, we can say that a charge on any body can only be the integral multiple of number of electrons, as we can explain this with the help of this small expression, where n can be any value 1, 2, 3 and E is the charge on electron, which is 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 19 Coulomb. For example, let us suppose if any body has 2 electrons, then what will be the charge on that body? Q equals to Ne. Substituting the value of N as 2, Q equals to 2 into 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19, where 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 is the value of electronic charge. So the net charge becomes 3.2 into 10 raised to power minus 19 Coulomb. So in this way, as we have seen with the help of an example, total charge on a body can simply be expressed as the number of electrons on that body. So this was all about conservation of electric charge and quantization of charge, the basics of electrostatics. Hope this video has helped you in getting the knowledge of these two topics. Thank you.